there, Stan.
Good to see you, Stan. You too, little red tractor. Oh, and who's this young feller then, eh? Nope, don't tell me. You're the new arrival, Mr. Jones' nephew.
That's right, Stumpy.
Oh, I expect Mr. Jones is showing you a high old time. Talking of high, what's that smell?
Me, I fell into some cow stuff.
We were having a race. I reckon Thomas might have won if he hadn't... You're quite quick.
Thanks.
A bit smelly, though.
Stumpy. Now then, how about a slice of homemade cake? And maybe I can find you some of Stumpy's old clothes for you to put on while I give yours a quick soak.
No thanks.
Well, how about giving me a hand to get the corn out of the trailer, Stumpy?
Right you are, Stan.
Are you the man with the quad bike?
What, you mean Nipper? Oh, that's right. You like bikes then, do you?
Yeah.
Well, perhaps you ought to come and take a look at Nipper.
Yes, please.
There he is. Quite a beauty, isn't he?
Yeah. Brilliant. Thanks, Mr. Stumpy. Thanks a lot. Oh, no! It's running away! Mr. Stumpy, your bike! It's running away! Help! Mr. Stumpy!
Thomas, something to...
Nipper! Come back! Oh, my word! Stop!
Don't worry, Stumpy. Little Red Tractor will catch up with him. Come on, Little Red Tractor.
Well, at least he stopped. Come on, you!
Well, Thomas, what happened here?
I don't know. Nipper he rolled off. I tried to chase him, and now he's stuck.
Stuck, is he? Oh, it's no use. He's well and truly stuck. We'll just have to move that tree.
Move the tree? How?
Little Red Tractor will give it a go, won't you?
He'll never lift that tree.
Little Red Tractor's a lot tougher than he looks. Stand clear, Thomas. Come on, Little Red Tractor. You can do it.
It's moving! Come on, Little Red Tractor!
Hurry, Little Red Tractor. The rope.
Come on!
Nipper! Where are...
Oh, quick, Stumpy. Get him out. I don't know how much longer Little Red Tractor can hold the tree.
And that rope's going to break.
Stay back! Come on, Nipper! That's it!
That was brilliant! You're great, Little Red Tractor.
Now, Thomas, what actually happened?
Stan, it's all my fault. Me and my fiddling. I must have loosened the brake cable when I was fixing that there wheel, and Nipper must have slipped off the axle supports. Still, no harm done. Nice work, Little Red Tractor.
What? Thomas? Good grief, what happened?
We went to see Stumpy and Nipper and ran away, but Little Red Tractor saved him. We did lots of stuff, and Ryan and Amy are my new friends, and we had to ride on Nipper.
What is that smell?
That'll be me. Well, cows, actually. Cows are great. Have you ever stroked a cow, Uncle Jasper? They're really big, but they're brilliant. But not as brilliant as Little Red Tractor. He's the best.
Jasper?